Hakanika sngi kalai puai tarik Agos Hajar Pulai ka Synod College kala penlong ya kajing penkup burom iki kena ki bala pendap ya kajing pule bala yoru bansam iki kusnam shabaro ki kena ki bala yo iki kedan bape. Hakanika sngi Ishri FR Kharkongor IAS ibalong i Commissioner and Secretary Government of Meghalaya ilalong kum ukongsan la yoru ya kajingkren pediang na i principal jong ka Synod College bat la yoru ya kajing sam iki kusnam sha imis Barisha Wardri ila yo ya ka second position zoology honors ila yo ya ka Primrose Godfrey Memorial Award Shri Badanbok Nosiate 8 position chemistry honors ilayo yaka Dr. D1 Swed Award but yaka Thomas Jones Memorial Award layo the imis Aitisha Basayamoit ilayo ka first division Khasi honors Miss Baaihun Shisha Kongshun haka first division haka English honors but imis Ibasok Lang Thaba 5th position kiwe kibalayo yaki award kilong Miss Ibe Suklang Thaba 5th position, Zoology Honours. Miss Shailiban L. Maulong 6th position, Zoology Honours. Miss Kumbatmu Rani 6th position, Zoology Honours. Miss Balahun Khar Musalman 10th position, Zoology Honours. Miss Rimeyaka Walang 4th position, Geography Honours. Mr. Payabaskham Kharkongor 5th position, Geography Honours. Miss Evangeline Myrom, 5th position, Geography Honours. Miss Adrenaline Diengdo, 8th position, Geography Honours. But Mr. Mayalambha Rantatiang, 9th position, Geography Honours.
Remain standing. I request Dr. K. Guam to kindly lead us in the singing of the national anthem.
Janagana Manadina Kachayaye Bharata Bharya Vidata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttara Banga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchara Jalavitaranga.
Very good afternoon to everyone present here. I would like to take this moment to welcome all of you on this beautiful afternoon to this graduation day function 2023. At this time, I am immensely delighted to welcome our chief guest, Shri F.R. Kharkongor, IAS Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya.
First of all, congratulations, you have done it. All the hard work has finally paid off and we are all ready to take the next big step in life beyond college. I was so lucky enough to be chosen to speak today before all of you and reflect on our collective journey in college.
A very good afternoon to all of you. The respected principal of the Synod College, respected vice principal, Dr. Charles Lindo, the coordinator of the IQAC, Dr. Gary Lindo, all the faculty members, dignitaries on the dais, parents, and most importantly, the young graduating students of the Synod College. I don't really have a speech, but a few thoughts to share on this occasion. We live in we are part of an agrarian society. The Khasi Jantiya